Rhosus Mobility is a proud member of David Group, a company built on innovation, engineering, and advanced manufacturing. Welcome to our facility where the future of electric mobility is being shaped.
Hello, I'm Mr. Kushin. I'm production supervisor at Rhosus Mobility. Today, I will take you a tour of our facility where electric mobility technology is designed, tested, and manufactured. Let's get started.
This is our admin office. Procurement and finance keep all operations running smoothly. Everything inside this facility is developed by our own engineering team. This is our R&D office, where every product is engineered to global standards and validated before production. We design all mechanical parts in Fusion 360 and validate them with detailed simulations. Our prototyping room allows fast production of resin, nylon, and silicone parts. This is our warehouse. All components are inspected and tracked through our ERP system for error-free production. Welcome to our metal fabrication workshop, where all mechanical processes of frame production are carried out with high precision. The first step is precision cutting of aluminum profiles with our circular saw system. Cut profiles are shaped in our CNC tube bending machine. We can bend up to 90 millimeters with high accuracy. Our laser cutting line features a 6 kilowatt unit capable of cutting aluminum up to 10 millimeters. With a 5-axis positioning system, we achieve fast and repeatable results even on complex geometries. We perform TIG welding using our FANUC robots and Fronius welding systems, ensuring both high strength and consistent quality. All welding fixtures and cutting molds are fully designed in-house by our engineering team. Our custom-designed reaming machine, developed by our own team, prepares the frame interior for assembly with maximum precision. Before painting, frames undergo sandblasting and surface preparation to ensure optimal adhesion and flawless finishing. Surface treatment guarantees long-lasting, high-quality paint application. Each frame has a unique serial number for full traceability. In our paint preparation area, we can create over 100,000 color combinations using automotive-grade color standards. So if a customer requests a color we don't have, it probably doesn't exist anywhere else either. After painting, all EPAC labels and safety markings are applied according to EN 15194 standards. Decal applications are performed with precision for long-lasting durability. We use 3 Holland Mechanics machines: wheel lacing CD for spoke placement, truing machine for perfect spoke tension, and disc tire fit for final tire mounting. On our assembly line, motors, batteries, drivetrains, brakes, and electronic systems are installed according to defined work orders. In laboratory, we perform mechanical, fatigue, load tests using certified and calibrated equipment. These processes ensure compliance with CE and ISO standards. At Rhosus Mobility, every step from engineering to production is completed in-house. Thank you for watching. Together, we are shaping the future of electric mobility.